Hello everyone and welcome back to Techie Big Soy. Today, we are diving into a topic that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very much about our future. Quantum money. Is it here to revolutionize blockchain? Or is it a hidden threat waiting to take down our digital currency world? Is it blockchain's future or foe? Let's uncover this mystery together. First, let's quickly understand the digital backbone we all know. Blockchain. Think of it as a super secure, decentralized digital ledger. Every transaction is a block linked together in a chain and protected by complex cryptography. It's transparent, immutable, and that's why cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin rely on it. It's supposed to be unhackable, right? Now, introduce the game changer. Quantum computing. We've talked about its mind-bending power before. Quantum computers can perform calculations at speeds unimaginable for even the most powerful supercomputers. Their unique abilities like superposition and entanglement allow them to solve problems in entirely new ways. But here's the catch. The very same mathematical puzzles that secure our current blockchain systems could potentially be broken by a powerful quantum computer. Quantum money. The foe? This is where the foe part comes in. The encryption methods protecting today's blockchain, primarily based on complex factorization problems, might be vulnerable to future quantum algorithms, specifically Shor's algorithm. Imagine a quantum computer breaking the cryptographic keys that secure your crypto wallet. That's a huge threat to the very foundation of blockchain security. It could make our current digital money systems, including popular cryptocurrencies, completely insecure. Quantum money, the future? But it's not all doom and gloom. Quantum technology isn't just a threat. It's also the solution. This is why quantum money itself and quantum cryptography step in. Quantum cryptography, specifically quantum key distribution, or KQD. This uses the laws of quantum mechanics to create unhackable encryption keys. If anyone tries to intercept the key, its quantum state changes, immediately alerting you to the breach. It's literally quantum-proof security. Quantum-resistant algorithms, or post-quantum cryptography. Scientists are already developing new cryptographic algorithms that are designed to be secure even against future quantum computers. These can be integrated into blockchain to make it future-proof. True quantum money? Imagine a digital currency that uses the principles of quantum mechanics itself. For instance, a quantum bit or qubit used as a digital coin would be impossible to copy perfectly without destroying the original. This makes it inherently unforgeable and incredibly secure, taking digital money to the next level. So is quantum money blockchain's foe or future? It seems like it's both. It's a wake-up call to strengthen current systems, but more importantly, it's paving the way for an even more secure, sophisticated, and fundamentally unhackable financial future. It's a race, but one that promises incredible advancements for everyone. What are your thoughts on quantum money? Do you think it's the ultimate upgrade for blockchain, or a challenge we need to address urgently? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I'll be back with more mind-bending tech concepts in the next episode. Thanks to watching Techie Big Soy. See you next time.